Hello dear students, today we are going to do question number 8 of exercise 1.3. So here is question number 8. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. So here first we will write profit on one white cement bag, that is rupees 8, and loss on one grey cement bag, that is rupees 5. Further, in the A part of this question we are given the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? So here for the solution, first we will find total profit on selling 3000 bags of white cement. For that we will multiply number of white cement bags by profit on one bag of white cement, that is rupees 8. So here it will come 3000 multiply rupees 8, which is equal to rupees 24,000, and same as loss on selling 5000 bags of grey cement. For that we will multiply number of grey cement bags by loss on one grey cement bag, that is rupees 5. So here it will come 5000 multiply rupees 5, which is equal to rupees 25,000. Now since profit is lesser than loss, that means company will earn loss in total in that month. And to find that loss, we will subtract 24,000 from 25,000 and it is equal to rupees 1000. So hence company will earn loss of rupees 1000 in that month. Let's come to B part. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6400 bags? So here in the question we are given that company sold 6400 grey cement bags, and how many white cement bags company must sell to have neither profit nor loss. That means company's profit and loss should be equal, and for that we will write here let the number of white cement bags is equal to x, because we don't know how many white cement bags company must sell, so let it be equal to x. And according to the question we are given that profit is equal to loss. And now what is the profit on white cement bags? For that we will multiply x by profit on white cement bag, that is x multiply 8, and loss it will be equal to 6400 multiply by loss on one grey cement bag, that is 5. 6400 into 5, and it will come equal to 32,000. And now we will find value of x. For that divide 32,000 by 8 and it will come equal to 4,000. Hence the company must sell 4,000 white cement bags to have neither profit nor loss. So this was the solution of question number 8.